Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to change the language in Windows 10 or 11. So click on here and simply go to settings. Additionally, you can search here the language and you should be able to see the language setting. Just click on that option. Otherwise, you can see here the start menu settings. Another way I'm showing you. Then you should be able to see here the language time and language, and from here you can see the language option here. Once you see that, this is the Windows display language. Okay, so first of all we need to add the language here, so click on add here and search your language here. So I'm selecting here Hindi. So you can select any language which you want. Just select here your language and just you need to click on next option here like this and click on next. And once you click on next option here, select your language here which is added here, then click on options and it will start the downloading like this. So we need to wait here until it gets completed. So once this language is downloaded all the way, just you need to drop down, go back, select your language, then click on move up option here. Okay, and set it as default here. This is the language, just click on up and this should be preferences and just you need to select it as default language here, and after that it will be changed. Okay, so this is very easy guys. I hope you can do it now. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.